children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. And I have a new poem for you. The title of this poem is The Fountain. And I'm going to read this poem, but after let's get started by the color, the given fountain. You have to color that fountain, and then I'll tell you that what values you are going to learn from this poem. Number 1, hard work, and then persistence, and then motion. These are all the values you are going to learn from this poem. So let's begin this. Into the sunshine full of the light, leaping and flashing from morning till night. Into the moonlight, whiter than snow, waving so flower-like when the winds blow. Into the starlight, rushing in spray, happy at midnight, happy by day. Ever in motion, blissome and cherry, still climbing heavenward, never a weary. Glad of all weathers, still seeming best, upward or downward motion they rest. Full of nature, nothing can tame, changed every moment, ever the same. Ceaseless aspiring, ceaseless content, darkness or sunshine, they, thy element. So my dear children, this poem starts by describing something full of light, always moving and sparkling throughout the day, from morning till night. So in this stanza, beta, that when he is describing a comparison, किसी का comparison करना snow से. So at night he wants to say that it continues to shine even in the moonlight. अपीयरिंग वाइट लाइक स्नो, है ना, बर्फ की तरह एकदम लगता है जब मून लाइट में चमकता है. सो इट मूव्स जेंटली लाइक अ फ्लावर व्हेन द विंड ब्लोज. एंड व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट इन द स्टारलाइट, into the starlight, rushing in spray, happy at midnight, happy by day. So it shines even under the starlight, splashing water as it moves. It is joyful both during day and night. So जब ये चमकता है ना बच्चा, और जब ये दिन के तारों की रोशनी में चमकता है, तो इसमें अलग ही जगमगाहट होती है ना. It remains happy in all kinds of weather and always looks beautiful. तो हमेशा सुंदर दिखने वाला, हमेशा ग्लोरियस दिखने वाला, ऐसा इसकी चमक है. सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम वर्ड बैंक. सो लीपिंग इज टू जंप हाई, ब्लिसम इज हैप्पी, heavenward is moving towards heaven, weary is tired, and ceaseless is continuing for a long time without stopping, aspiring to have a strong desire, content is to happy, and moral जो आप सीखने वाले हो इस पोएम से, मोरल लर्नड. द पोएट टॉक्स अबाउट हाउ द मोशन ऑफ द फाउंटेन इन द सनलाइट एंड द मूनलाइट मोटिवेट्स हिम टू परस्यू हिज बेस्ट एस्पिरेशन इन लाइफ. ही एस्पायर्स टू बी एज जॉय फील एंड अपबीट एज द फाउंटेन अंडर ऑल सर्कमस्टांसिस. तो जब आप पोएट की बात करते हैं और वो फाउंटेन की ब्यूटी को बताता है, तो उस समय वो हर चीज़ से उसका कंपैरिजन करता है जहाँ जो प्रेजेंट है उस समय पर. ओके, सो नाउ बच्चों, लेट्स प्रैक्टिस थ्रू कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. फर्स्ट, कंप्लीट द गिवन लाइन्स and with the help of your poem and write a character sketch of that fountain. Imagine the fountain is living thing. Make sentences in C part, and in D part answer the following questions. In E part write the rhyming words of the following. तो ये जो भी words आपको दिए गए हैं, इनके कुछ rhyming words बनाइए, जैसे इनसे मिलते जुलते और इसी रिदम में. Then you have to write the opposites of the following. इन वर्ड्स को आपको अपोजिट, जैसे आप डे नाइट लिखते हैं तो अपोजिट क्या होगा इसका. क्रॉस रोड्स, लर्न द रिसाइट, learn and recite the poem The Fountain in the front of the class. Write a gist of the poem in your own words in the space given below. We have some life skills also. Which type of pollution is shown in the picture, and write a few lines about it. You can write about water pollution, soil pollution, air pollution and noise pollution. So while doing this and working on this, have fun, bachcho, enjoy.